My best teacher. I have many teachers, but Mr. Ali is my best teacher. He is an MA, M.Ed. He is our teacher in charge. He teaches us English and Urdu. His method of teaching is very interesting. He is very hard-working teacher. He is very regular and punctual. He is never late from school. He calls out roll and starts the lesson. He checks our mistakes in our presence. He is 40 years old. He is very active and smart. He wears neat but simple dress. He advises us to work hard. He impresses us to be a true Muslim and a good Pakistani. He always shows very high results. All the teachers and the principal like him. He is an ideal teacher. I am proud of my teacher. May he live long. My school. I study in government high school. It is situated in the middle of the city. It has 4 gates and long boundary wall. It is U-shaped. It is near Urdu Bazaar. It has a big grassy ground where students play games in break time. It has 20 big rooms. All the rooms are airy and well decorated. One room is for the principal of the school. Our principal is very nice man. He is man of principle. There is computer lab, library and science room in my school. 40 teachers teach in my school. All the teachers are very hard working. Our teachers take much care about studies. It is their hard work that our school shows cent% results every year. Our school is champion in cricket and hockey. I am very proud of my school. May my school progress by leaps and bounds. An accident. Life is full of accidents. One day I was coming home back from my school. When I reached the small crossing near the district courts, I saw a truck coming from Urdu Bazaar at high speed. Suddenly a Tonga appeared in the middle of the road. It was coming from other side. The driver of the truck tried to control it but could not. It collided with the Tonga and smashed it into pieces. 2 men were killed at the spot. Some received serious injuries. The injured men were rushed to the hospital. A crowd had gathered. In the meantime, police appeared from a corner, arrested the truck driver and went away. People were very sad. Next day the newspaper bore the news of that accident. I never forgot this dreadful accident.